Here at Hope Scholars Academy, we think it's so important to have fun and to have fun in relationship with each other. We want to help our students build relationships with other Christian students. We're going to begin with an all-school retreat at the beginning of the year. We'll go to Camp St. Christopher, do some team building activities, kayak together, have a campfire, and begin to have fun and know each other. We're also going to utilize the house system. The students will be placed in a family unit of mixed grades. In that house system, they'll care for each other, pray for each other, serve together, and compete with other houses in friendly competitions. Community service is very important to us. It's part of the classical view of taking their head knowledge through their heart into their hands. One way we're going to do that is through the house systems. The houses will determine the community need they're concerned about. Each house will sponsor the community service for that month. They'll take leadership in developing the service project and then lead the rest of the school in that project. Once per month, we will not have classes. Instead, we'll take a Thursday afternoon to go on a project to serve a community need together. Another way that we believe in having fun and interactions is by giving the students a long lunch period. We want to provide time in the middle of the day to blow off some steam academically, take time for extramural activities. We have a gaga ball pit, a basketball, ping pong table, and there'll be arts and crafts, or time just to enjoy hanging out with other students. But we want our students to have that time to engage their bodies physically before they re-engage their minds mentally. Along with that, we have outside of class, family, and student activities. We're beginning the school year with a family picnic and a commissioning service where those that have helped develop the school will gather around our families to pray for them and to pray that the Lord's presence will be with us as we kick off the school year. We also have a moms group that's developing, that's helping us plan regular fun activities so that the families can have fun together to build that community, and then times when the students can go off and have fun together as well.